We knew the water levels were low, but we didn't know they were going to be this low. The risk of getting stuck in such low waters with gators everywhere is the exact reason why we love to ride the Kissimmee River. I've launched at this ramp a lot of times, and you learn to read the river before you even unload. Today, the signs are pretty obvious. Water barely covers the ramp, sandbars are seen everywhere, and that tells me one thing: better ride careful, because once you're out there, this river can be unforgiving. This is the Kissimmee River. There is one caveat today. The water levels are pretty low. We're gonna ride all the way up to the River Ranch restaurant where fill up some gas, eat, do all those fun stuff, and then we'll come all the way back. We got the last bit of folks that are dumping in. Of course, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe if you have not already. And I think I'm done talking. Let's get riding. Let's go, people. Let's go. So if you look at those banks over there, when the water levels are, normal, you don't really see the banks here. It's just the water covers that, and you definitely don't see this. I would normally right now be walking in water. Look at this, it's low, but I think we'll be all right as long as we all kind of stay in a single file going down this way. Once we hit the main river, because this is just a little canal that puts us out onto the main part of the river, we'll see what that looks like. What's the funny part about this? Not a single person here's number one worry is gators. It's not. It's about just sucking something into the impeller, right? That's what we need to buy, bro. No problem with that. These folks will have zero issues today. Everybody out here's got 99 problems. They ain't got one. We gotta get ourselves one of those. With it being this shallow, we decided we're gonna wait. We're gonna kind of let people go, and we'll probably take off now, right? There's pretty much no skis coming back this way. That is one of two things. A, that is a good sign because they've gotten to the river and the levels are good. Or B,
they're probably all stuck.
We don't want that. So we're gonna jump on ours. We're gonna head there very slowly. Hopefully the adventure kicks off now. Let's go. Look at that. All that is normally covered by water. That's crazy. If you ride the Kissimmee, you already know this spot. Skis lined up down the bank, coolers open, quick snack, little exploring, even a little fun. This spot right here, it's a tradition. Every real Kissimmee ride passes through here. This is the FLSR tree. We are approximately halfway there, give or take. The FLSR tree, which I have not actually stopped in years, because every time I ride here, it's never this low, so you can't really pull up. The infamous FLSR tree. Now, I'm gonna have to go through some muddy waters. I had to go deep. I had to go deep. I know. I was scared. I was scared. Hey, what's good, buddy? It's a little baby. He's gone. He's gone. It was a little baby. Okay. So if you plan on coming to the Kissimmee River, right, and you happen to stop to the sides of the river, which, you know, we do often, I can tell you something that you probably may not know, which is I'm not really bothered by the gators. I don't care. The gators don't bother you. What I look for to make sure that I do not see are cottonmouth snakes, because those bad boys can be pretty aggressive. So that's what you want to look out for. Make sure you don't step on one. That's the biggest thing. And right now there's none. I've already scoped out the area, but just kind of FYI, if you ever ride the Kissimmee River and you kind of stop at one of these places, just keep an eye out. You don't want to see a cottonmouth snake. Oh!
I'm surprised that tree is still there, man.
I'm not.
We came here, the first time we discovered it was about 7 years ago, and it was brittle then. You want to climb it?
I don't.
Let's go, come on.
All right, let's go. Your husband just forced me to climb this tree, so I have it on camera. So if my health insurance declines anything that needs to be done, he will pay out of pocket. Okay. All right, are you gonna backflip off the tree into the water?
Obi.
Hey, at your own risk, huh?
You scared?
No, I'm just waiting. I don't want to get stuck on the tree.
Right, we did it.
All right, let's see. All right, here we go.
Obi, you got it?
I'm good.
We're gonna jump into a cannonball right here in the water.
I'm in. Guys,
be careful with my brake.
Guys, if you guys give me 1 million likes on the video, Randy, a million, Randy promises the next time he comes here, he's gonna do a triple 3.5 somersault into the water.
Into a gainer. And no splash.
No splash.
No splash.
All right.
Perfect
Hey,
day.
1 million likes, that's all it's gonna take. All right, people, the FLSR tree stop is complete, and we are off to the lock. Lego. That's better. That's medium right there. Okay, hopefully that's a good sign. There you go. There you go. What's up, my boy? What's up, my boy? Are you coming after me? See ya. Oh, damn. Gotcha. I see. All right, people, we have made it officially to the lock, which at the beginning of the day, not gonna lie, it was a question mark, right? But we are here, we're at the lock. You know, this lock is infamous for not really letting in more skis than allowed, right? Which, I mean, I guess it's a good thing, right? So we might have a little bit of a wait here.
A few moments later.
Can I ask you a question? So I believe in this saying. Tell me if you believe in it as well. No rider left behind, right?
Absolutely.
Hey, where's Randy? This is the lock that splits our ride. The south side, where we came from, has the racetrack style bends filled with gators everywhere. The north side is a straight shot where you can gun it, pedal to the metal, full speed to the river range. However, today, while the first wave of riders are stuck, we pull over to do the only thing we know how to do.
Hey, can I get your autograph? Hey, can I get your autograph? Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you. Appreciate it. All right, guys, listen, bad news. We have been hanging out where you saw at that little beach area by the lock, and it's bad news for us, but it's worse news for the people that went in the lock. They're still in there, apparently. Like, it's been over an hour, and they're stuck in that lock, so it doesn't look like we will be going to River Ranch. Unfortunately, we won't also be hitting that nice little side path that we love to take, but we do get to, you know, rip through the Kissimmee again, right? So I guess, you know, when life gives you lemons, make some lemonade. We got to see more gators towards the back end of the ride, so hopefully we get to see more. But in the meantime, Elliot and I are gonna go back to the ramp and just enjoy the rest of the ride. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Let's keep it going, let's go.
So as we prepare to make our way back to the ramp, a few more riders decide to join us. The issue at the lock shortened the trip, but sometimes that just means the river has other plans. I'll be leading us back, and when you're out front on a day like this, you notice the gators are out. If you want to experience the entire ride back in a full 360-degree video where you control every angle, I dropped that video on the channel and I'll tag it below. But for now, let's finish this ride with a compilation of just some of the gators we passed. Hope you enjoy.
People, the Kissimmee ride is over. It was a fantastic ride. It ended up turning to be a fantastic ride. We had some, you know, minor issues at the beginning. The water levels are really, really low, but everyone happened to get out there. We stopped at the FLSR tree, which we hadn't done in a while, and we made it all the way to the lock. Now, did we get stuck at the lock? I didn't. Some of the riders did, and I don't know, I think the lock is still not working properly, and so after hanging out there for a little bit, we decided, hey, let's ride back. And let me tell you, that ride back was awesome. No stops, throttle, not all the way, but because it's shallow, but full throttle, 80%, and tons, and I mean absolutely tons of gators. I appreciate those that rode with us. Thank you guys so much for joining. Of course, always check the channel for some of the newer rides that are coming up, and I can't say enough thank yous to my boy Elliot over there, Mr. Jetski. There's the man right there, right?
Yes, sir.
Appreciate your brother. Today was a good one, right?
It was awesome.
Awesome. The lock, you know, like I said to the people, it is what it is, but
it happens.
That ride back was pretty dope. Yeah. And my arm hurts from pointing at gators. That was crazy.
There's a lot more coming back. Definitely.
Absolutely. Well, it got warm. So anyway, I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until the next one, let's go.